get worse. It's not too late.
Yeah, it is. Cops are already looking for me. So get ready to cover the showdown of a lifetime, because I'm not going out without...
Good. Because you just found one.
You just won't stay dead. Come to save your little fangirl?
This is between us. Let her go.
I could. But I'd rather make her watch while I break every bone in your body. Right here.
So Shorten, man. I've known guys like you. Peaked in high school, never got over it. All these powers, and look at you. Bully then, bully now.
He's hurt.
Against somebody you know you can't beat, be smart. It's okay to run the other way.
There goes your hero.
He made it out. Barely. .3 miles away.
Barry, wait!
No way he's gonna do it. Go, man, go!
Let's cross.
I broke my hand.
Hey! What is this? Where the hell am I? Somewhere you'll never hurt anyone ever again.
Who the hell do you think you are?
You know who I am.
Alan?
The thing that happened to you, Tony, it happened to me too. But it didn't just give us abilities. It made us more of who we are. You got strong. I got fast. Fast enough to beat you. You used your gift to hurt people. Not anymore.
Alan. Alan. Alan, don't walk away from me, Alan!